try 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Take a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. At 8:51 p.m. light rain, a thunderstorm and fog were reported at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The temperature was 73 degrees and skies were cloudy.
Hold on a second, let me put my headset down.
Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Weather radio, all hazards, station WNG7OK, operating on frequencies 150.45 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted by an antenna located on the WRAL TV tower near Garner. The station serves the eastern Piedmont and central coastal plain of North Carolina. The current time is 9:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for north central Franklin County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lewisburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lewisburg and Ingleside. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protection. Until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: Franklin, North Carolina. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for North Central Franklin County. At 9:24 p.m.